On high-speed cap production lines, the mold is the heart that determines both quality and efficiency. CrownJet not only pursues extreme speed, but also recognizes the critical importance of premium molds. With a high-efficiency cooling channel design, mold cooling perfectly matches CrownJet's ultra-fast production cycles, providing reliable support for high-frequency operation. Each mold is made from top-grade steel and optimized through years of experience, ensuring exceptional stability and extended service life, even under high-intensity production. Every CrownJet mold is the result of precision manufacturing. A fully traceable machining and assembly process guarantees outstanding consistency and durability. The perfect synergy between high-quality molds and the CrownJet production line delivers superior results. Minimal weight deviation, significantly reducing material waste. Exceptional dimensional precision, ensuring every batch meets the highest industry standards. Contact us today to unlock your factory's full productivity.